Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to calculate new profit sharing ratio at the time of admission of a partner. Let us first understand what is profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio is a ratio in which the partners agreed to share the profits and losses of the business. We will see one example. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. The business earns a profit of rupees 1 lakh during the year. This 1 lakh profit will be distributed to A and B. In this example, 3:2 is the profit sharing ratio. Ratio means proportion. The total proportion of the profit sharing ratio is 5. Now, I am going to distribute this rupees 1 lakh among the partners A and B in the ratio of 3:2. Out of the total proportion 5, A's proportion of profit is 3. 1 lakh into 3 divided by 5 is rupees 60,000. This is the profit of partner A. In the same way, we have to calculate profit of partner B. Total profit 1 lakhs. The total proportion is 5 and B's share is 2. 1 lakh into 2 divided by 5, we will get rupees 40,000. This is the profit of partner B. Let me explain what is new profit sharing ratio. The new partner is entitled to share the future profits of the business. New profit sharing ratio is the ratio in which all the partners, including new partners, will share the future profits and losses of the firm. Look at the same example to understand new profit sharing ratio. A and B are doing business, partnership business. They share their profits in the ratio of 3:2. They decide to admit C into the partnership business. After admitting C as new partner into the business earns the same profit in the next year, that is rupees 1 lakhs. Now this 1 lakh will be distributed among all the partners, that is A, B and C. Share of new partner C will be determined by the agreement. In the absence of any specific agreement, the partners are supposed to divide the profits and losses equally. We will see how to distribute the profit of rupees 1 lakh in new profit sharing ratio among A, B and C. Let us assume the new profit sharing ratio as per the partnership agreement is 3:2:1. Now I am going to distribute the profit of 1 lakh to A, B and C. First, we will calculate share of profit of partner A. The total proportion of the profit is 6. Out of the total share of 6, partner A's share is 3. 1 lakh into 3 divided by 6. We will get rupees 50,000. Share of profit of partner B. 1 lakh into share of profit of partner B 2. Total share 6. 1 lakh into 2 divided by 6. We will get 33,333. Next, share of profit of new partner C. Rupees 1 lakh profit. Share of profit of partner C 1. Total share 6. How much? Rupees 16,667. The profit of 1 lakh rupees is distributed to partner A and B before admission of new partner. The same 1 lakh rupees is distributed among A, B and new partner C after the admission of new partner. Now compare the share of profit of A and B before and after admission of new partner. Look at the share of profit of partner A before and after admission of new partner C. Before new partner admission, share of profit of partner A is 60,000. After the admission of new partner, the share of profit of partner A is 50,000. The share of profit of A reduces because of the admission of the new partner. Now, look at the profit share of partner B. The share of profit of partner B before admission of new partner is 40,000. After the admission of new partner C, the share of profit of partner B is 33,333. Here also the profit reduces because of the admission of new partner. The old partners A and B sacrifice a portion of the share of profit to the new partner. Here you need to understand one more new term, that is sacrificing ratio. Now we will see what is sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is the proportion of the profit which is sacrificed or forgone by the old partners in favor of the new partner. That is the proportion in which the old or existing partners sacrifice their share of profit in favor of the new or incoming partner. In this example, sacrifice made by partner A after the admission of new partner C is rupees 10,000. That is the difference between share of profit before admission of new partner and after admission of new partner. 60,000 minus 50,000, 10,000 share of profit sacrificed by A, and sacrifice made by partner B is 40,000 minus 33,333, that is 6,667 rupees sacrificed by B. Share sacrificed is calculated by deducting the new share from the old share. Share sacrificed is equal to old share minus new share. Now I am going to calculate the sacrificing ratio. In this example, the old profit sharing ratio is 3:2 and new profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Old profit sharing ratio is equal to 3:2. New profit sharing ratio is equal to 3:2:1. Now, share sacrificed by partner A is equal to old share minus new share. Old share of partner A is 3. The total share is 5 minus new share. New share of partner A is 3. The total share is 6. Here the denominator is different. When the denominator is different, we have to find out the LCM. LCM for 5 and 6 is 30. So to change the denominator to 30, here multiply 5 into 6, we will get 30. 6 into 5, you will get 30. Multiply by the same number. 3 into 6, you will get 18. 3 into 5, you will get 15. Here the sacrificing ratio of partner A is 3/30. In the same way, we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio of partner B. Old share minus new share. Old share of partner B is 2. Total share 5 minus new share of partner B 2. The total share is 6. Here also the denominator is different. Find out the LCM. LCM is 30. So to get 30, we have to multiply by 6. Here we need to multiply by 5. So 2 into 6, 12. 2 into 5, 10. 12 minus 10, 2. 2/30. Sacrifice of partner B. So sacrificing ratio of partners A and B. A and B. 3/30, 2/30. The ratio is 3:2. Okay. So now we have discussed what is new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Now we will see how to calculate new profit sharing ratio. There are different situations for the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. We have to identify the informations given in the problem. Here we have two situations when the share of the new partner is given and when the share of the new partner is not given. First, you have to identify the situation. Then only it will be easy for you to calculate new profit sharing ratio. I will explain you how to identify the situation. First step, you need to determine whether share of new partner is given in the problem or not. If new partner share is given. Next step, you have to identify sacrifice made by the old partners. The sacrifice may be unequal sacrifice, equal sacrifice, and entire sacrifice by one of the partners. Otherwise, sacrifice information are not given in the problem. It is very easy to identify the second situation. When you read the problem, if nothing is given in the problem related to the share of the new partner and sacrifice of the old partner are given as proportion of old partner's share, you can proceed with the second situation. These formulas will help you to calculate new profit sharing ratio at the time of admission of new partner. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Share of new partners is equal to sum of shares sacrificed by old partners. We will continue with the determination of new profit sharing ratio in my next video. Don't forget to watch the second part of the video. Thank you.